Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the top Reddit verified solutions to fix the app not opening problem on any Android phone. These methods have worked for thousands of users and one of them will definitely work for you too. So let's get started. First, the fix that Reddit users say works almost every time. Just force stop the app. All you have to do is just find the app you having problem and just hold it and select this icon. Select the force stop option. Select OK. And now close and reopen the app. For many people, this instantly fixes the issue. If the app still doesn't open, the next most upvoted solution is clear the cache. To do this, go to settings and go to apps. Select see all apps. Select the app you having problem and select storage and select clear cache option. Don't worry, this will not delete your data. Now try opening the app and check if the problem solved or not. This might sound simple, but Reddit says this fixes almost 50% of Android bugs. Just press and hold the power button and tap on restart. If that didn't work, now check for updates. All you have to do is open up Play Store and search for the app you having problem with. Select the app. Select the update option if available. Most apps crash because the older version becomes unstable. If that didn't work, this next fix is super popular on Reddit. Lots of app want it open if Google Play services is glitching. All you have to do is go to settings and go to apps and select see all apps. Find Google Play services. Select it. Tap on storage cache and clear cache option. Do the same thing for Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store and select storage and select clear cache option. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If that didn't work, go to settings and search software update. Tap on software updates and select software updates again. Tap on system updates. Select check for updates. In my case, my system is up to date. Sometimes a outdated Android version is the reason apps doesn't open. If your phone storage is full, many apps won't launch. Go to settings and select storage. Delete unnecessary files, large videos or unused apps. Make sure you have free space at least 1 GB. Tap on free up space and select the unused apps or things that you doesn't need and then select free up option and select free up space. And if nothing works so far, uninstall and reinstall the app from the Play Store can fix the problem. Open up Play Store, search for the app you having problem with. Tap on the app and select uninstall option and select uninstall and uninstall the app. This removes corrupted files and gives you a fresh installation. If that didn't work and the final fix is surprisingly works for many people, go to settings, go to system, go to reset options, tap on reset app preferences and select reset apps option. This will not delete any personal data. And that's it. These were the most effective Reddit approved methods to fix app not opening issue on any Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.